I plan to create a video series about Jamal, a text processor that will help you maintain your documents. Have you ever found yourself editing some document mechanically to be up to date with the new version of the software? Does your documentation still refer to years old version you forgot to update? Does the documentation contain the description of a feature that doesn't exist anymore? You do not even remember once you or some other project developer wrote. You need an assistant who can update the document at every location where there was a change or warn you to delete, add, or modify the documentation. My name is Peter Verhaas. I created Jamal to be your documentation assistant. In this video series, I will show you how you can install and use Jamal. We will use IntelliJ and AsciiDoc because these are excellent and easy to use tools. But Jamal is not limited to being used only with these. You can use Jamal with Markdown, pure text, XML, or other text formatted documents. In addition to that, you can use Jamal in docx files. Jamal can be used to convert text or Word documents from the command line, starting it as a Java application or using JBang. Using the Jamal Maven plugin, you can start Jamal as part of your Maven build. If you want to enrich your POM build files using Jamal macros, you can use the Jamal Maven extension, different from the Maven plugin. You can use Jamal macros in Java doc documentation, which will be processed using the Jamal doclet and taglet. As you can see, there are a lot of possibilities. Using IntelliJ and AsciiDoc in the videos is only one, although perhaps the easiest way to use Jamal. In the following videos, I will show you how to install Jamal, how to use it in IntelliJ, in Maven from the command line, and so on, how to debug your text processing. I will talk about the basics, the basic macro syntax, and how a macro starts and ends. I will explain the difference between built-in and user-defined macros, including and importing macro files, repeating text, and having conditional text. After that, I will talk about more advanced topics, like how to include sample code from your application into your documentation, how to number your sections and subsections and cross-reference them, and many other topics, as I will have time to create more and more examples. Stay tuned, look at the videos, and enjoy learning Jamal. You will be amazed how powerful the tool is.